Electric vehicles are making inroads on the roadways of the world as more and more drivers want their commutes to be earth-friendly. Hello, I'm Glenn with Mind's Eye Design. Just about every vehicle manufacturer is now producing an electric vehicle. But does that mean only cars and trucks? No. Bicycle builders are also showcasing electric versions of their rides, and many are sporting radical innovations and designs. Here are 15 of the best picks Mind's Eye has found, ready to take on or off the pavement. The e-bike way.
Number 15.
The French have come up with their twist on an e-bike. The iWish designers say that their e-bike uses artificial intelligence to always get you to your destination. It analyzes your route and chooses how much electrical assistance it'll provide. It sets the optimum level so that you will get to your destination and with minimal effort. It has an aluminum frame with a mid-drive motor and 24-inch tires and weighs just under 40 pounds. The battery is 36 volts, nearly 500 watts. The iWish has a smooth, refined style and looks very well designed.
Number 14.
All 250 of these limited edition e-bikes have been sold, but the Specialized company says that the Turbo Creo SL redefines e-road bike performance. The special edition bike features a carbon frame and fork and is the lightest Turbo Creo SL build at just over 26 pounds. It has a special lightweight rear derailleur and wheels. The motor can deliver up to 240 watts and can ride up to 120 miles of total range with range extenders. It's quite a bike, wouldn't you say?
Number 13.
Now, something more down-to-earth affordable, an e-cargo bike with 20-inch wheels. One of the best examples of this emerging category of bikes is by the Tern Company, first known for its popular line of small folding bikes, both pedal-powered and electric. The HSD cargo bike with 3 different variations was just shown at Eurobike 2019. With a max gross vehicle weight of 374 pounds and an extra-large Atlas H rack, it'll carry a week's worth of groceries. It can fold down narrowly and can stand vertically. It weighs just under 60 pounds.
Number 12.
Just on the tail of GoCycle's new fast-folding commuter e-bike, the popular GX, they recently announced the GXi, which takes the best features of their previous top model, the G3, and adds to it their fold-in-half bike frame. The GX line folds in about 10 seconds and has a removable battery. The GXi has a 500-watt front hub motor and can reach 20 miles per hour with 3 speeds. GoCycle says it can go up to 50 miles on a charge.
Number 11.
What if e-bikes could get some serious health smarts? Well, a Romanian company is working to prove that the increasingly popular e-bikes will still bring a great workout for riders. The bike uses a combination of a phone app, a heartbeat monitor device, and the bike's computer to adjust the level of pedal assistance. The Xmira rider can turn off the workout function and go manually. The Xmira is now on Indiegogo and offers several power options. Top speed can go to 16 miles an hour and has a range of about 37 miles. If you need to haul another bike or two behind your bike, here's a great, easy way to do it. You can hook up the ExoZox bike carrier. It was invented in Poland and is being sold on the web. It has 2 parts, a regular type rear rack, which can stay permanently on the bike, and a second part with front wheel holders, which attaches to it to allow the bikes to be towed. A bungee cord holds the other bikes in place while riding.
Number 10.
An Indiegogo campaign is underway to fund the production of an unusual e-bike from the Swedish company Elbi, termed the Easy Life Bike. A belt drive helps propel the 20-inch wheeled bike with an all-aluminum frame. The bike has its battery just under the front handlebar area basket. The in-hub motor is on the front wheel and available with a torque sensor with 250 watts or a cadence sensor with a 500-watt motor. You can also order the bike without electronics. Check out the Indiegogo page. You might just want to invest in this unique bike, e-bike, or not e-bike.
Number 9.
At first glance, this e-bike could pass for a cool sports-style motorcycle you see every day on the streets. Pre-order is underway for the limited edition 100 Rocket, with a top speed of nearly 50 miles per hour and a range of up to 75 miles. It has a 16-kilowatt peak power motor with 5 kilowatts of continuous power, a 52-volt lithium battery, and 6.6 kilowatt-hour capacity. It has 17-inch wheels, and the bike weighs about 265 pounds. You can reserve the limited edition 100 now with a down payment.
Number 8.
Ever see those large three-wheeled tricycles popular with senior citizens? Well, they do offer more stability compared to two-wheeled bikes, but if you ride at higher speeds and make a corner, they can tip over. The Italian-designed Trees bike is so different in its approach. It has two front wheels that tilt as they turn. The bike is scaled small so it doesn't overwhelm the rider and is easier to maneuver. Trees has 3 models. 2 feature a rear hub Zehus all-in-one motor. The third is non-electric. It can travel about 15 miles per hour and its range is around 20 miles.
Number 7.
If you're looking for high-speed off-road adventure and willing to spare no expense, look into the 27.5-inch tire Scout Pro by High Power Cycles. It features an intelligent torque sensor, and the motor supplies up to 3,000 watts of power with a top speed of 45 miles per hour and up to a 160-mile range in eco mode.
I'm Allie, and it's Mind's Eye Trivia time. By looking at just these images, do you know what this is and where it's from? Leave the correct answer or your best guess in the comment section below.
Number 6.
A Ukrainian company, Delfast, has designed several powerful e-bikes for their courier business. And now they've announced an update to their fastest model. The Top 2.0 has the same top speed as its predecessor, but has a much more powerful motor, a 5,000 kilowatt rear hub motor. Its huge battery has a claimed range of up to 236 miles on one charge.
Number 5.
A new e-bike entry is the Stark Drive Torque Max. The bike is the latest model from the Stark e-bike company, which prides itself on ultra-low-cost folding e-bikes. The Swedish company is touting its new Max bike with a whopping 1,000-watt Bafang Ultramax motor. It can reach up to 38 miles per hour with pedal assist and has a range of up to 62 miles. An Indiegogo campaign has launched for the Max and 2 other lesser-cost bikes. Stark also offers its Stark City bike for a low $399 US.
Number 4.
The Electra Bike Company is out this year with a limited edition of their Go Series e-bikes. It's the vintage-inspired Cafe Moto Go. The fun bike is a simple design harking back to the days of the Cafe Racer motorcycles of the 60s. It has a Bosch Performance Speed motor, assisted speeds of 28 miles an hour, and hydraulic disc brakes. It also has a Gates carbon belt and a variable Inviolo rear hub. Nice touches include a 500 watt-hour battery, Brooks B17 leather seat, fat 26-inch tires, and a large bullet headlight.
Number 3.
What's claimed to be the lightest e-road bike being made is the Wily Ascento 10 Hybrid, and it weighs 23 pounds. The bike shows its elite Italian racing heritage with an impeccable fit and finish. It has a small e-bike motion rear hub motor and a carbon frame. The bike is new in the Wily lineup and features pedal assist. It was a Eurobike 2019 Show Award winner.
Number 2.
A Canadian company, eProdigy, has a wide assortment of e-bikes with a wide price range. One of their most interesting is their 20-inch folding bike, the Fairweather. It's touted as the first and only lightweight, mid-drive carbon fiber folding e-bike with a Gates carbon belt drive. It is both thumb throttle and pedal assist with a uniquely positioned 36-volt, 500-watt bottom bracket motor. Here's a unique folding bike trailer that deserves a mention because it's so useful. The German company Trenex first announced it last year, and now it's updated and soon starting production with funding on Kickstarter. The trailer works normally when carrying a load, but it can fold up over the rear wheel of your bike when it's empty.
Number 1.
Last but not least is the Brompton electric folding e-bike. At just 36 pounds and folding to 2/3 the size of other folding electric bikes, the bike is carry-friendly. The smartly optioned bike comes with either a 2-speed or 6-speed, with a small detachable battery and a bag that can power the pedal assist bike up to 45 miles. You can buy it ready-made or order your own with hand-picked options. Well, that's our list of the most innovative e-bikes out there at this moment. New developments in the electric bike world appear daily, and they're rapidly getting better. So stay tuned for an electrifying ride.